So most people solve this question like 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, right? Then again 10 minus 5 is equal to also 5. Now 5 times 5 is equal to 25, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division, and fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. So multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then addition and subtraction also have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So now 10 minus 5. Now solve this parenthesis. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So times 5. Now here we have one subtraction and here multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction, right? So now 10 minus 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So 10 minus 25 is equal to minus 15. So the correct answer is minus 15, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.